Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming credentials and access. Make sure you can receive the two-factor code on a trusted device or phone number. Next, back up your device. Use iCloud or an encrypted local backup so you can undo unwanted changes. Once done, update iOS or Mac OS to the latest version and restart. This prevents sync conflicts. Now open Settings or System Settings and tap your name to begin updating account details and preferences. You'll change core account details next. Tap Account, then Name, Phone, Email to edit your Apple ID email or add reachable addresses. Change your password under Password and Security and follow password rules. Make sure to review payment and shipping and your iCloud storage plan. Upgrade if you need more space. Also check family sharing options so shared purchases and storage remain intact. Finally, toggle which apps use iCloud, photos, contacts, calendars. Finish by confirming all your devices are signed in with the same Apple ID and that iCloud shows recent sync timestamps. This ensures continuity. Verify backup integrity by checking that key items, contacts, photos, messages, are present and restorable. If things go wrong, try signing out of iCloud and signing back in, rebooting devices, or resetting network settings to resolve sync failures. If you still can't fix it, contact Apple support. Having your device serial and last backup date handy speeds help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.